Hello technicians and operators of the F770. I hope this day finds you well and there are many successful builds in your life. In this video, we're going to look at the best practices for loading as well as unloading material. I hope you find this useful. As a reminder, these procedures are also found in the user's guide. First thing I need to do is prepare the material box. I lift the lid, untwist the filament tube, and pull a couple arm lengths of material out. The manual calls to remove 1.2 meters, so this is a little bit extra. Leave a little tail to be able to grasp and push the filament up the corresponding material port. Notice I temporarily place the filament key in the slot at the top of the material box. From the front of the printer, I select the Materials tab. The reason for the orange exclamation point on the model head is due to the head odometer values. The printer is requesting a new extrusion head be ordered. Then, I press the grayed out material box and select the blue load button. Pushing the blue load button triggers the LED at the corresponding port to flash blue. I then feed the filament manually until I feel resistance. That resistance is the head. At this point, I insert the key into the port. Notice the flashing is stopped to show a continuous blue LED state. This is what the screen looks like after the filament has reached the head and the key has been inserted. Notice the temperature values as the head is heated, material is purged, and finally cooled. I now load the support side. From the back, I push the filament up the filament port until I feel the resistance of the head. Notice the flash rate of the LED slows down before I insert the key into the port. Once the key is in, the flashing stops to that ready, steady blue. The view again from the front. We see the head heating while the material is loaded and purged, and then the set temperatures dropping to 0 when the material is finally loaded. For the unload process, I select the blue Unload button from the user interface and accept the notification. I now go to the back of the printer and do as instructed at the user interface. I pull the filament out of the filament path, and then I cut about 5 centimeters from the key and fold it over. I coil the filament tube into the top portion of the material box. I also perform the unload operation on the support side. Notice the LED at the back goes red when the filament is retracted from the head and it is safe to pull out of the filament path. This also happens on the model side. Thank you all for watching this video. Again, I hope you found it helpful. Have an excellent day and happy printing. And for the technicians, happy fixing.